What is up, you guys? It's your boy C.A. Corey back with another video. So today we're just doing a quick POV drive, nothing crazy. I haven't filmed like a week. I had family in town. You guys know how it is. Once you got family or company, you gotta entertain. So had to entertain and do all this stuff. So now we're back to our regular scheduled program. But don't worry, I still got videos posted for you guys. Literally, I'm probably like a month and a half ahead. So that's also why I really like this too, is because even though I'm ahead, you know, I never really have to worry about, damn, like I missed a week of filming, am I gonna have enough content? Like, there's always content for you guys. So no matter what, you guys are gonna see a video, whether it's 5 minutes long, 40 minutes long, whatever, you guys are gonna get content. So, and I've also been now posting stuff that's on my dash cam, because what I realized is that sometimes I'm getting the best footage on my dash cam. Like literally, like sometimes I forget to bring my GoPro. Damn, look at this truck driver. Go ahead, bro. I'll let you go. Oh, he has to back up. Okay. But yeah. I'm not gonna lie. A job like this is crazy. He might have to go back up to back out. Let's see. But yeah, I always have content for you guys no matter what, so I'm never worried about that. I just like always being ahead, so that way, you know, if stuff like this happens, I don't have to worry like, damn, I don't have no content. Recently, I've realized that like just driving around, you'll spot so many things, and sometimes you forget that it's good enough for content. People don't realize sometimes you'll see something and it's literally like a near miss, or like some crazy driver on the road, and like you don't think that is content, but it really is content. Like, people have no idea this type of stuff. Like, it literally is all content. And I think, you know, the only people who really think about it like that are people that really get into YouTube. Like, once you really get into YouTube, that's kind of when, I'm not gonna say everything you do is for content specifically, but you start to realize that a lot of the stuff that you deal with every day could literally be like for a video. And it's like you don't realize it, but damn, why do people go so slow? Yeah, you don't realize it. But yeah, I also got some clips, especially like, I don't know, every time I go like Miami or Fort Lauderdale, something like that, I always end up with some really good clips. I don't know what it is. I don't know why, but there's always some crazy driver or someone on 95 that wants to race. Like, it's just always something. For people that are in Florida, let me know, how do you guys feel about summer? Because I feel like it's dope, but it's like, bro, the rain is so annoying. And for me, it's even worse. Like, during the week, I'm usually busy between like 8 to 6. And then, you know, sometimes I might want to go out because I'm like working and in school. So I spend a lot of time, you know, behind the computer and all that stuff. But I'm saying, like, even after, right? Like, let me make sure this guy doesn't come over, but yeah, the point I'm making is, like, it's so much harder now because when you want to go out during the week, right, I can't because I'm usually working or I'm, you know, doing something with school, whatever. Look at these people, no signal. This and this is everybody in Florida, just no signal. But yeah, like, I hate that during the week it doesn't want to rain. When I finally have free time on the weekends and it's a Saturday or Sunday, that's when it wants to rain, and it's so annoying because the weekends go by in like 0.2 seconds. You want to go out, but you can't really enjoy yourself because it's pouring outside, and it's like, it's just not fun, you know? That's the reason why I hate summers in Florida. Like, they're hot as hell. Some days during the week are really good, but most of the days are terrible. So I don't know. That's the only thing that bugs me about summertime in Florida. I just can't, man. Also, somebody made a comment on my channel. I was like, oh, like, your views are going down, whatever. It's only because I deleted all my shorts. And what a lot of people don't realize, who aren't really like into YouTube like that, if you start your channel on shorts, everybody is gonna prefer you posting shorts. Nobody wants to watch these longer videos. If you start the channel doing longer videos and then, you know, you incorporate shorts here and there, which is the thing I should have done, but that's fine because, as you guys know, we live in a time where you post content, it'll be slow for a minute and then it'll pick back up. So there's nothing to really worry about. Also, I'm not one of these guys that has to use YouTube to pay his bills. Like, I'm perfectly fine. I'm good. My job is great. Like, I don't need this. This is just a fun side hustle to do, honestly. This is nothing to do for me to be like, oh my God, I'm praying on this video to pay my bills. Like, no, that's not that's not it. But yeah, if you want people to watch long form content, post long form content for like at least a month or two before you feel like posting shorts. Before you get into the shorts and everything, post long form content. For me, I did it backwards. And then what had ended up happening was I got 14 million views within like 2 days, right? I don't know if it triggered something on the back end of YouTube and like made them think that was fake or something, but I literally just uploaded one video. It got 14 million views on this short. But in order to get paid, it was saying that I would have had to delete like a lot of the other, you know, secondary content that I was just reposting. So what ended up happening was I'm posting these long form content videos, and then I was like, all right, in order to get paid, let me try to turn this into like a little, you know, side income, whatever. So I end up deleting all of my shorts. Now the people who are coming to my channel every day to watch my shorts, they stopped coming. And then on top of that, now since everyone who was on my channel likes short form content and nobody cares about the long form videos, that's why now I had went back to 10-minute videos. I'm not making those 30-minute, 40-minute videos like I was before. Nah, it's really not, it's pointless at this point, you know, until I build up the fan base who likes this long form content. So yeah, I just messed up by deleting it, and then, you know, now the people don't want to watch these longer POVs, except for Corvette guys, right? Corvette guys are gonna watch regardless because we love seeing other vets and how people, you know, drive their cars, whatever. So if you're a YouTuber, start out with long form content first. I'm telling you now. That's gonna save you in the long run. But doing it this way is still fine. You just gotta build up your audience. It just takes a longer time. That's it. The problem is most people out here, they want that instant gratification. Nobody wants to work for it. Me, I'm cool. I do this for fun. I don't need YouTube to pay my bills. Like, I'm totally fine. So, and honestly, you end up enjoying what you do better if you're not really getting paid from it. Like, I know people who do YouTube and they get paid from it, and they literally are stressed out if, you know, the video doesn't do as good as they thought it would. Like, their sole purpose is literally so they can get paid and keep it coming. Like, there's some people that aren't really focused on quality. They're focused more on just pumping out content so they could just keep getting paid. And I've seen it happen so many times, you know? So that's what I'm saying. With this stuff, you just gotta be very careful. Do it for the right reason. I understand. Like, listen, I'm not knocking no one's hustle. Get your money. Everyone should always have multiple streams of income. Get your bread. 100% get your bread. But don't make it your whole life to just, I gotta make viral videos. Like, nah, bro. Look at that. What are the odds? My first day back filming, and I run into a C8 owner. Let's see. White on white, too. White on white. I love it. I love it. Oh yeah, he's behind me too. Uh-oh. Should we act up for YouTube? Should we act up? Oh man. It's too funny. There you go. I love seeing other C8s. And it's so funny, like, I don't ever run into younger guys who are into C8s. Like, I never run into them. But I think this guy looked a little bit younger. That's why he saw me and instantly, like, stepped on the gas. But I'm telling you, ain't nothing better than a white C8. I've seen satin black, which is tough. But if you like white cars, a white C8 looks... Because the white cars, I don't know, it's classy, it's beautiful, you know? I don't know, I just freaking love it. I really want to go on another rally, man. It's so hard getting all my C8 guys to do this rally. We've been talking about it for a minute. So the thing is that we did a rally before, and we did it to the Keys. It was from Miami to the Keys, which was like an hour drive. The drive wasn't bad at all, honestly. The hardest part is getting all these guys to just sync up on one day, and when we meet up, like, everyone's busy, bro. Everyone's busy, and it's like, you know, at this point, you really gotta respect it, because everyone's doing good. They're making their money, providing for their families. You can't, you know, you cannot be mad at it. But it's just like, ever since that first rally, we've never been able to get the whole crew out again. Like, I know people who run supercar rallies and stuff like that, and all they gotta do is put in their group chat, like, guys, we're all gonna meet here. The rally's gonna be this long, and that's it. Everyone comes through, you know. But my C8 guys are slacking, I'm not gonna lie. If you're one of my guys in the chat, you know who you are. All of us been slacking. I mean, a lot of us, ever since then, we, like, a ton of guys I know haven't been to any meets or anything. Like, everybody's just been in full grind mode. So I like having friends that hustle too, you know. It makes you go harder. So for me, yes, it sucks that, you know, we can't really, you know, chill. I do enjoy the fact that everyone can still stay in contact somewhat. So that's what I like about it. You know what it is? Like, people go so slow that you gotta like maneuver in and out of them. And then I hate when it does this K-band. I heard that it does it to a lot of Hondas. So like, you might be thinking, oh, there's probably a cop somewhere, but it could be just like a Honda truck like this, you know? So, but yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this little highway POV. If you enjoyed this video, please go to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.